Does cracking your knuckles cause arthritis? According to current research, probably not. That cracking sound comes from tiny gas bubbles forming and collapsing inside the fluid around your joints. For decades, people believed this damaged the joints and caused arthritis over time. But studies have found little evidence linking knuckle cracking directly to arthritis. One famous doctor even cracked the knuckles on only one hand for more than 50 years as an experiment. In the end, both hands showed similar levels of arthritis. That said, cracking your knuckles too often may still irritate the joints or reduce grip strength in some people. So the sound may annoy people around you. But it is probably not secretly destroying your hands.